feel a smile about the days until the last that I lived this morning. Where do we go? Wanna be a weekend without a friend. Wanna be a weekend without the end. It wouldn't be a weekend at all. Yes.
Kaya bigyan natin.
That was the weekend. Magandang sa ako ang second album.
So, katong spill na ko sa kung ako sa kanta. By the way, kami ni ako, my name is Kyle, and akong brothers na si Gabe, si Billy Boy. Kani itong ingon ganyan na pinaka-single na kong boy. Si Billy Boy ito kung pasabot na kaning ganyan low. So, tagal ako lang po. Magpagdabi kung babuhan mo ni Billy Boy! Anyway,
Ibalik yan.
bahala no. David ako, kami Wonggo is brothers me. Bisa ka mo ang other brothers na nasa likod, kunya na naman sila, kaya mas special mo din sila, save the best for last ni sila i-introduce. So, kami tanan, halos tanan na nila minyo na ni sila. Ako, padung lang mo minyo. Kani si Billy Boy. Si Billy Boy na lang yung pinakapwede. Kani kay Yellow. Kani Yellow. So, ako ako na, kani siya kay, huwag ganun siya Mary.
Nana din.
So sorry guys, i-married siya. Ako, mag-marry na ako next year. Hindi akong ginarry pag yun kasi, ang kasi yung hindi mo shucks! Naghanap ba yun no? Anyway, opinion ako this year na ako ang minyuan kay si Miss Eco International. Kailan mo ni Gabby Carvalho? Diba? Swerte ki siya. Anyway, so kaninga song, inspired ni sa advocacy ni Miss Eco International ni Gabi. It's all about plastic pollution. And we wrote something na, you know, after the pandemic, nalimot ang tanan about reduce, reuse, and, di ba? Medyo nawa na sa tuwang thinking ang tuwa, kita sa buhay lang kita dito magkaptas pandemic. So now, nasuot ni kanta just to remind everybody, and it's called Plastic. So it's about basically reduce, reuse, recycle, just to remind everybody. So muna may mga trash na makitnan, bago ko ba kaya itong mall, no? Kaya itong go-goan. So at least, si Mahi, they have trash cans everywhere. Pwede mo manglabay sa inyong trash. Ayaw lang yung ibigin sa kasa. Sayang kaya itong mga mall sa Cebu. Guwapa kayo na ako lang go-goan. This guwapa.
So kada, bali ang mga plastic ninyo diha, ilapay sa trash, ang plastic waste, ang mga plastic ninyo mga amigo amiga.
Yun yung mga tapad, mga plastic. Nanawa rin yung mga tapad, kung plastic ko na rin. Ayaw, ilabay. I-forgive. But anyway, this next song kay naamata sa Lapu-Lapu. I think Lapu-Lapu sa Cebu is very known for the beaches, di ba? Nakita ang tanan, di ba how dirty our beaches are na daghan kayo.
What beaches?
Beaches in Mactan. So kana siya, if naay mga tao today na naay mga CSR nito, baby Mahi na may clean up or anything, we can partner, no? Si Wonggo at si Mahi, pwede we can do a clean up wherever. Doon lang yung dagat rin, nagkang kitag-litihon nun. Kaya para sa tourist ba? No, wala yun eh. So anyway, this next song is called Plastic. Nani siya sa YouTube, sa YouTube Music, nasa Spotify, nasa Apple Music. Mawinawan niya. G. G. G.
Plastic, like fake friends. I can't believe softly and filling up the ocean. Oh man, where do I begin? Cause one night my brothers got to talking, right? At the time about how plastic is ruining the planet. Just keep in mind. So we were like, why do we write a song that says plastic straws are evil, like plastic raw materials, like plastic cups, plastic sports, plastic cause diseases, and they're like plastic friends deceiving you, act like they believe it. All they do is cheat on you, misleading you, and feeding you the bull. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Me and you, we can do just a little. Reduce, reuse, me and you, we do things from within. You're drastically filling up the planet, eventually toxic. I think you should be knowing that your plastic friends, they got bad intentions, got a lot of memory. Jealousy, insecurities, crap mentality, drunken social media tweets defying gravity. So flip for them a bottle of water and dab it up. Serving up the ketchup on coffee and throw the drunk into the waste bin where garbage belong. Don't get the labels wrong, malata. Close friends or closers, avoid doesn't matter. The F basically reduce your waste of energy. Reuse your friends and give a shit. And last but not least, recycle, repeat. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Me and you, we could do it just settle. Reduce, reuse, and you, we do things good, we go. Reduce, reuse, recycle.